Cass. My name is Cassandra and I'll be guiding you through a few breathing techniques today. So before we get started, I'll explain first. The first technique we're going to use is our Ujjayi breath. So your Ujjayi breath consists of your belly breath, chest, breathing up into the collarbones, and even taking the breath into the back of the throat with a slight constriction. And this breath is audible, so you will hear a sound in the back of the throat. It kind of sounds like ocean waves. So let's get started with our Ujjayi breath. You can keep your hands on the knees. Make sure you're in a comfortable seated position. If the hips are a little tight, you could always prop a pillow underneath the seat just to lift yourself up a little bit higher. Make sure you're comfortable. Let's get going. All right, so from here, shoulders stack over hips, crown of the head is lifting up towards the ceiling, sitting nice and tall. Close the eyes if you wish. Hands can either be face down or face up onto the knees, depending if you want to ground your energy or receive energy. So from here, let's exhale freely. On your inhale, we'll fill up the belly, chest, collarbones, and take the breath into the back of the throat. Exhale, release from the back of the throat, collarbones, chest, and belly. So inhaling fully, filling up all lobes of your lungs. Exhale, releasing. Inhale. Exhale. So as we carry on with this breath, we're keeping the lips pressed together and we're exhaling through the nose and inhaling through the nose. Let's try it again. Inhale. Exhale. So starting to create a sound in the back of the throat. We'll take a few more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very nice. Now as we continue, I'm going to add a breath count here. So we're going to try to lengthen out our exhales to slow the central nervous system back down. This will really help to reduce anxiety and calm yourself back down. So again, closing the eyes, let's take our Ujjayi breath here. Inhale, belly, chest, collarbones, into the back of the throat. Exhale, release back of the throat, collarbones, chest, belly. Now inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really squeezing that belly into the back again. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. This time exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming back to your regular Ujjayi breath. Inhale. Exhale. Creating an audible sound again. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. slowly start to blink the eyes back open. So that was our first breathing technique, our Ujjayi breath. The next breathing technique we're going to do is called alternate nostril breathing, also known as Nadi Shodhana. Okay, so for this one here, we do use our right hand. So what you're going to do, your index and your middle finger are going to come down to the palm of your hand. So that is what the hand looks like. If this is a little bit too much and it feels kind of awkward, you can keep those two fingers extended, but we're going to place them on the forehead instead. If not, you'll keep those bent in. Okay, so what we're going to do, the thumb is going to come onto the right nostril. And then as we switch, we're breathing through alternate nostrils. We're gonna bring our ring finger onto the other nostril and then open up the right. Okay, so we'll go through this slowly. So taking the hand variation that works best for you, fingers can be into the palm, or you can rest those, the index and middle finger onto the forehead, whichever works best. So I'm gonna do this one. Okay, so let's get the thumb onto the right nostril. We're going to breathe in through the left nostril for 1, 2, 3, 4. Now your ring finger is going to come onto the left nostril and release your right. Breathe out of the right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now inhale through the right nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the right. Open the left and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale through left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close left. Open right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And releasing that for a moment. So I'll take you through the other variation as well with the fingers on the forehead. Same idea here. So you're going to rest the fingers right onto the forehead. If that hand variation feels a little bit awkward, it does take a little bit of practice to get used to, so no worries. We can take this variation as well. Let's cover the right nostril with your right thumb. So I'll turn sideways a little bit just so you can see better. So you're covering the nose with the thumb. On your inhale, you're going to breathe into the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ring finger comes onto the left nostril. You open up your right. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now inhale through right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's close the right. Open left. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now inhale through left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close left. You're going to exhale through right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's inhale through right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close right. Exhale left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close left. Exhale right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close right. Exhale left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close left. Exhale right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your hands. Sitting nice and tall, we'll take a few cleansing breaths in. Inhale through the nose. And exhale side of the mouth. Again, inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. So those are some techniques to help you de-stress, unwind, and slow your breath pattern back down. If you ever find yourself getting a little anxious or stressed, these are great to do at any point in your day, just to reset and gain a sense of control over your breath. Thank you all for joining. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to let me know below. Namaste.